If a construction worker is injured on the job in New York City, when could they have a case to sue? Let's ask New York City lawyer Tom Markovits in this Ask the Lawyer's Quick Question.
Well, for example, take a painter who's painting on a ladder. The ladder shifts or it's missing one of its rubber stoppers at the bottom that keeps it from skidding, and he falls. That's a common accident. Sometimes people are working on a scaffold and the scaffold is missing a railing, which would normally be there to protect the worker from falling off a scaffold, or some other tradesman on the site moves some equipment and crashes it into the scaffold, causing the person on the scaffold to fall. People fall into open trenches, which should have been covered on the site. People fall or trip over debris negligently left at a work site. The regulations require that work sites be maintained in a safe manner for people that work there. So any of these sorts of incidents are fairly common at construction sites, and we've handled really all of these types of cases.